Women are too emotional for the high pressure sales.
They are not emotional. They are full of emotional intelligence. Pressure handling तो हमसे ज़्यादा कोई कर ही नहीं सकता, right? We are taking pressure of kids, we are taking pressure of in-laws, right? We are taking pressure of office, right? And we are taking pressure of society.
Does it have any impact on your personal work-life balance?
ये होता है, राइट? और फीमेल्स के साथ ज़्यादा होता है. मेल काउंटर पार्ट के लिए वो इजी हो जाता है एज कम्पेयर टू फीमेल्स, बट यस यू नो women are more powerful to balance.
कोई challenges आते थे ऑफिस में, like it could be office gossips or any other politics happening?
Obviously yes, मतलब you can say कि होता है कि how long will she survive here. So I'm not even talking about leadership roles here. अगर मैं managerial roles में भी देखूँ तो you'll find कि in each and every type of corporate you'll find कि male ही ज़्यादा lead कर रहे होते हैं, right?
Any moment where you felt like being a woman in tech was actually an advantage?
No, nobody serves you in a plate, right? You have to make your own food.
How much difficult it was to get your voice heard?
एक तो एक्सेप्टेंस क्रिएट भी करना है, ऊपर से आप फीमेल हो, राइट?
वहाँ पे कैसे मैनेज किया फिर? Hi Ekta, welcome to the show.
Hi Tajinder and thanks for the warm welcome.
वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ द तजिंदर कलशी शो. हमारे अब तक के एपिसोड में हमने अलग अलग करियर को एक्सप्लोर किया है. टुडे विल नॉट बी फोकसिंग जस्ट ऑन अ डिफरेंट करियर बट ऑन अ इंडिविजुअल जर्नी विच इज अबाउट वुमेन्स इन द टेक इंडस्ट्री. विल बी डाइविंग इनटू अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ प्री सेल्स, बिजनेस जनरेशन, business development section which is generally dominated by the males, but someone has obviously carved her path in the same domain. So joining me today is Ekta Chauhan. She has been leading the pre-sales and business generation across India and the international markets. और जानेंगे उनसे बात करके. So Ekta, I mean I'll start with the first thing which I always ask with my guests is like what exactly is your story? Pre-sales या business generation is a generic term. So I think you can tell us better what exactly it is and what you are doing exactly.
I would like to let you know कि back in 2013 I was pursuing my BTech in electronics and communication.
Okay.
So somehow during my last semester I joined an edtech company.
Okay.
And during that time I realized that I was having a natural talent for business generation.
Okay.
So that was starting career, you can say कि मेरी जो story शुरू हुई business generation को लेके. Because for the entire 3 years I was having in mind that I'll be joining some maybe IT or I'll be joining core electronics field. So somehow जो वहाँ से जो interest बना, because I found that I was very good at conversations. I loved human interaction. Right, so it happened slowly and gradually from there.
Okay, so you were doing BTech in electronics.
True.
And you moved into lead generation.
Lead generation.
Okay, that's a quite different
Yes.
path.
Yeah, but the good part was like it was an edtech industry wherein I was like basically I was focusing on BTech domain, right?
Okay.
जो भी उनके वहाँ पर courses थे and work that was related to somewhere to IT
BTech
or BTech and all,
students
right?
and all.
So wherein I was able to put my whatever I was aware of about all those technologies and all. So it was like a kind of, you can say, tech consultation,
Okay.
right?
तो वो एक्सपीरियंस वहाँ काउंट हो रहा था.
Exactly.
उसका आउटपुट मिल रहा था.
आपको मिल रहा था.
Okay. अभी एग्जैक्टली आप क्या कर रहे हो?
So then maybe after 6 years, yes, exactly after 6 years, I tried entering into IT, right?
Okay.
Because IT was something, it was like basically it is like tangible hai, right? So I entered into business generation, right?
Okay.
Wherein because I was already having experience of how to deal with B2B, corporates के साथ कैसे deal करते हैं.
Okay.
And slowly and steadily I was entering into, you can say basically team lead roles and all. Right.
Okay.
So I started with the Indian market, and just after 2 years, somehow e-invoicing was expanding globally, India के बाद. So I got a chance to enter into Middle East market and all, right?
Okay.
So wherein जहाँ पर pre-sales और business generation मेरे लिए ground बन गया to play with.
Okay. Okay, so that brings me another question. Sales and pre-sales दो अलग चीजें हैं. I mean that is my understanding. But शायद a Norman may not be able to relate to it.
Okay.
Maybe you can help us understand कि how is pre-sales different from sales.
So I'll be even explaining one more term here, business generation,
Okay.
right? So business generation का role क्या रहता है? Basically it is like extracting weed out of the garden, right? एक आपके पास एक dump पड़ा है, उसमें से you are like taking the exact जो आपको prospect list बनानी है, right? After that comes pre-sales का role आता है.
Okay.
तो pre-sales is something wherein every day is a new day. because you know you're taking client requirements, आप data gathering कर रहे हैं, right? You're trying to draft a solution as per their needs. You're running into proposals. एंड समटाइम्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू सेल्स जो आप कहते हैं, wherein जहाँ पर आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग पूरा हो गया है, स्कोप ऑफ वर्क इज सेट, राइट? स्पेसिफिकली इफ आई टॉक अबाउट आईटी और SaaS प्रोडक्ट्स, स्कोप ऑफ वर्क इज सेट, देन सेल्स का रोल आता है, देन दे कैन एंटर इनटू नेगोशिएशंस, राइट? और दे कैन एंटर इनटू लाइक क्लोजिंग पार्ट, क्या प्रोक्योरमेंट टर्म्स रहेगी एंड ऑल. सो बेसिकली प्री सेल्स प्लेज अ ग्रेट रोल.
तो हमें ये लगता था कि सेल्स ही है जो बिजनेस लाता है,
Yes.
बट नाउ आई कैन से कि प्री सेल्स इज मोर इनटू गेटिंग दैट बिजनेस टू दी.
Yes,
सेल्स
because
तो उसको क्लोज कर रहा है शायद.
सेल्स क्लोज कर रहा है, बिकॉज इन आईटी प्री सेल्स का एक बहुत बड़ा रोल आ जाता है, राइट? मे बी व्हेन यू आर डीलिंग विद स्मॉल कंपनीज, तो वहाँ पर शायद वो सेटअप नहीं होता है, लाइक
सेग्रीगेशन नहीं
प्री
रहता है.
सेल्स आईटी, मतलब ये
वहाँ पे तो one man
सेल्स
army,
या बीजी वन
one
मैन
man show
आर्मी
चलता है.
टाइप रहता है, बट यस.
ओके, अभी आप इंटरनेशनल मार्केट भी देख रहे हो, इंडिया मार्केट भी देख रहे हो, तो इंटरनेशनली लाइक विच ऑल सेक्टर्स, विच ऑल एरियाज?
So currently I have worked with Middle East में specifically Saudi, right? अगर मैं इधर South East Asia की बात करूँ तो Malaysia, and even we have worked for Mauritius also, and slowly and steadily entering into UAE, right? So what I have seen is कि every country is a different country जब हम बात करते हैं. Yeah.
So how are the markets different from the India market?
Basically see, जो डिफरेंसेस हैं, दैट इज यू कैन से कल्चरल न्यूसेंसेस जो होते हैं, राइट? दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, राइट? सबके अपने बिलीव्स हैं, राइट? रेगुलेशंस हैं, राइट? एवरीबडी, लाइक इंडिया में आप देखेंगे दे बिलीव इन लाइक लॉट मोर नेगोशिएशंस करना और इस तरीके की चीजें होती हैं. सो यू विल फाइंड
नहीं मिलती ना जब तक
नेगोशिएट ना कर लें. सम कंट्रीज में इट्स लाइक यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रेट, राइट? इफ इट इज लाइक सॉल्यूशन इज गुड, ऑब्वियसली दे वुड लाइक टू गो फॉर इट.
ओके, तो कहाँ ज़्यादा मजा आता है, इंडिया मार्केट में या?
This is a difficult question for me. See, जिस रोल में हम है, like you know, we have to adapt for every country. हम लोग ये नहीं कह सकते कि this is not good या this is right.
I mean that's a diplomatic answer. Okay. जब आपने start किया था, like you started long time back, but when you entered into this pre-sales kind of a role initially, so what was the gender differences over there? Like अगर मैं बोलूँ कि man power wise, male female का ratio कैसा था initially?
See, basically you can see कि females, अगर मैं ये वाले रोल में भी बोलूँ तो you won't find much, right? Specifically when it comes to, I'm not even talking about leadership roles here. अगर मैं managerial roles में भी देखूँ तो you'll find कि in each and every type of corporate you'll find कि male ही ज़्यादा lead कर रहे होते हैं, right? So एक ये stereotype भी एक तरीके से होता है, right? But yes, it is like कि you need not to, मेरा तो ये मानना है कि you need not to wait कि like somebody will give you an opportunity, you have to create a one for you.
So when was your first transition to a senior role? How did that happen exactly?
You know, I joined like a manager only, right? So down the line, after 4 to 5 months, I got a team over there to handle, right? But after that, you know, it was like you can say I was the only female leading a team, right? Right? It was there. Then basically, you know, I never used to wait for like permissions, right? कि मेरे को instructions आएंगे then only I'll do. So I used to like अपना homework पूरा करके then slowly and steadily, you know, I started with a team of 2. And currently I have around 35 to 40 people working in my team.
That's great. How do you see the differences in the last few years? Okay, yes, industry is changing, that I agree, but the ratio of male female, especially in the leadership role or the senior manager role, कितना changes आया है अब?
Changes big. I mean, you can say कि women are no less than men. अगर आप देखोगे, right, it is not like, yes, at initial stages you can say I have seen that I was the only one when management meetings used to happen, right? Boardrooms में भी जो होता था एक single female sitting over there and बाकी males, right? But now slowly and steadily opportunities are there और अभी तो I can see there is no differences, right? Let's take an example. I don't know if you have traveled via metro, like via Noida to Delhi and all, right?
We do a lot, yeah.
So during morning hours, during peak office hours, you can see कि जो female is to male ratio रहता है, that is equally like 60-40 होगा, but it is not somewhere like it is not 70-30 or 80-20, right? So during that hours you can say females are going to offices. So अभी जो है, it's not like it is not a male dominating society, I can say here. Yeah.
So when you have been like dealing with the India market, international markets and all, तो challenges कैसे किस तरह के आते हैं?
You're asking about challenges about market या market challenges?
The customer base market.
Customer base market. See, it is like more of a, you can say, adaptability challenges. हमारे लिए भी होता है. Like you can say, I won't say communication is a barrier, right? Because you know, it's not Hindi English. Basically, अगर मैं pre-sales की बात करूँ या business generation की बात करूँ, it is like how well you're putting your thoughts in their mind. Right, whether you are able to identify कि उसकी requirement क्या है, right? It is not about Hindi or English, because you know in today's world AI से आपका transcript भी है, right? Chats भी है.
मैंने international travel किया and I had no idea about their language.
Yes.
The only thing to my rescue was the mobile with the translator on top of it.
Exactly.
That I can understand. Okay. When you're sitting in that boardroom discussions, okay, where the major decisions happen, since you mentioned like initially you were the only female in that boardroom.
Yeah.
So how much difficult it was to get your voice heard?
See, it is not an easy thing, right? Because obviously when you are surrounded by like 8 to 10 people over there, right, and you are the only female, but yes, you know, presence makes the half, right? And the other half is voice, you can say. And when, you know, what I do is I always back up myself with data, right? I try to give a fresh angle to everything, right? So you'll get heard. So you can say slowly and steadily respect is earned, right?
कोई challenges आते थे office में, like it could be office gossips or any other politics happening?
Obviously yes, मतलब you can say कि होता है कि how long will she survive here, right? कि ये कितने दिन तक चलेगा,
देखते हैं
कितना कर लेगी. देखते हैं. अच्छा, I'm moving little different from the question you asked. एक और होता है कि whenever you're joining somewhere, right? एक बहुत normal सी term रहती है. You'll find people over there who are staying there from long, right? So even when I joined, you know, they were my colleagues, like who were like from 12 years, 10 years, 15 years, right? So एक
company start की होगी उन्होंने.
Kind of, right? Maybe during the early journey. So it was like कि you know, जो introduction होता है. So how usually we introduce ourselves? हम लोग क्या कहते हैं कि like I'm so and so, right? I have done so and this is my specialization. लेकिन वहाँ पर एक जो introduction आता है ना, Hi, I'm this and I'm here from last 12 years, right? तो अपना एक जो होता है कि आप कैसे acceptance create करेंगे वहाँ पर, right? So वो एक तो एक्सेप्टेंस क्रिएट भी करना है, ऊपर से आप फीमेल हो, राइट?
तो वहाँ पे कैसे मैनेज किया फिर?
इट इज लाइक कि मेरी फिलॉसफी इज लाइक जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर वर्क, राइट? रादर आवर वर्क शुड स्पीक इंस्टेड कि
कभी ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ है कि वो जो लोग हैं वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग, उसमें हर कोई तो सपोर्टिव नहीं होता, तो देयर आर ऑलवेज दोस,
यू नीड टू मेक योर ओन वे. आई मतलब
उन्होंने चैलेंजेस क्रिएट किए हो, कुछ ऐसे सिचुएशंस आए हैं?
So I think this is not the right platform to discuss this.
It's more about understanding कि if such kind of situation happens for others women who are already working, and क्योंकि कई लोगों की सेम जर्नी है, सेम स्टोरी है, okay, उनको भी वो challenges आते होंगे, but maybe they are not getting the solution. So if you have something which can be helpful to them, if you can share something from your experience.
So exactly, see, don't listen to anyone, I would say. लाइक कि जो एडवाइस आती हैं, लाइक देयर विल यू विल फाइंड कि बहुत सारे एडवाइजर्स आपको मिलेंगे, राइट? कि ऐसे नहीं है, यू डोंट नो, आपको शायद काम करना नहीं आता है, राइट? विल टेल यू कैसे काम होता है. सो इट इज लाइक सुनो सबकी, करो अपने मन की, राइट? लिसन टू एवरीवन बट एक्ट लाइक व्हाटएवर you are feeling it is right or wrong, right? So you need to make your own path.
Okay. And since we are talking about the leadership role, now we are sitting at a good leadership position. Again, in the boardroom there are other leaders also from the other departments. तो उनका सपोर्ट कैसा है, उनका हाउ दे रिसीव योर व्यूज एंड ऑल?
सी इट इज़ प्रीटी गुड एज आई सेड कि ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आपको फीमेल बीइंग अ फीमेल की आपको कोई एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं मिलता है, राइट? सो अ लॉट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू आल्सो कि आप कैसे खुद को प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, राइट? हाउ व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू आर कैरिंग, वेदर यू आर ऑलवेज प्लेइंग अ विमेन कार्ड, right? Or whether you have something on your plate, right?
Correct.
Whether you are able to present something, because when discussion happens, no can it is not something कि ladies first कि आपको metro में seat reserve है कि आप बैठ गए आके, right? boardroom chairs are meant for everyone, right? उनकी वहाँ पर equal values है. If you have some thoughts in your mind, you are able to put it well, you are able to weave something, we are able to weave a story and give a fresh idea, तो वो सीट आपकी है. अदरवाइज बहुत लोग हैं.
कभी वैसा सिचुएशन हुआ है कि लाइक यू हैव पुट फॉरवर्ड योर पॉइंट्स, ओके, बट फिर भी यू हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ ट्वाइस?
इट डू हैपेंस, बट अगेन आई विल से कि ये सभी के साथ होता है. rather I won't say कि it happens with all the leaders,
Okay.
right? Because sometimes you know everybody have different point of view. किसी भी चीज को हम देखते हैं, right? So yes, it is not कि whether I am right or wrong. Instead of proving that कि I am right on this, right? You should not leave your idea. My point is you should not leave your idea. Keep on working on that, right? कभी ना कभी तो आपकी सुनवाई होगी ना उस पे.
That's correct. Any other woman leaders that you look up to, or anyone who has been your mentor throughout your journey?
During my career journey, mentor, I mean, it was like my journey only, wherein I have demanded from myself मुझे क्या करना है, कैसे आगे बढ़ना है. But yes, there are many, you can say, tech leaders who are leading this. Rather I would take an example of Ms. Indra Nui, ex-CEO PepsiCo, right? Obviously she was a public figure at that time wherein we were in college हम उनको देखते थे, right? Yeah, so there are many tech founders who are leading this. Even in my current organization Webtel, we have one of our director, Miss Sangeeta Sahni. She is also the female, right?
So then I can see that their culture is imbibed into the organization also
Yes,
now.
yes.
If you talk about the freshers and the beginners, okay, like maybe college pass outs or someone, and they want to explore this career path, sales, pre-sales and all, so what would be your advice? Like how should they start? Where should they start with?
See, business generation और pre-sales की जब हम बात करते हैं, it is more about human interaction, whether you have interest to speak with someone or not, because यहाँ पर you can say कि introvert लोगों का काम नहीं है.
Okay.
It is like you have to be natural, कि कितना आप conversation कर पाते हैं, right? whether you are able to take out कि सामने वाले के mind में क्या चल रहा है. So when it comes to कि career path क्या है, so nowadays you also know कि बहुत सारे tools, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ गई हैं. It is not about like जैसे पुराने, you can see in older days it used to be happen like cold emails or, right, you know, business generation में whether it was cold calling or not. Now it is like data specific.
Okay.
If someone is having interest in analytics, if someone is having interest to explore all kind of, you can say, professional platforms like LinkedIn, or even social media platforms, right? वहाँ पर there are certain forums also wherein they can check कि क्या चल रहा है market में, right? When we say about corporate communication, it is like more of interacting with C-level. So how good you are in conversation, I would say. See, it is not about English speaking or Hindi speaking, first of all. Because you know, you may find, I mean, many students, you can say, who might be having a very good English speaking skills, but I won't say that communication is not good. So good communication is obviously a one thing, but rather it is like interest. And nowadays, you know, things are moving very fast with all kind of CRMs in place, and all the CRMs are getting replaced by AI tools. Yes.
So that brings me to another question. What has been the influence of AI in this domain? I mean, good, bad, both, the pros and cons.
See, obviously, it is like, you know, AI should be used like a tool which can help you, right? Your efficiency should be 10x. You can't totally rely on it. Garbage in, garbage out. यही आएगा. If you don't have an idea कि आपने करना क्या है, then AI is not going to help you, right? It may be, अगर मैं specifically pre-sales की बात करूँ या business generation की बात करूँ, तो it is all about prompt also, right? It is not something कि आपने AI deep जाके सीखना है या programming सीखनी है, but if you're not aware about how to use those prompt, right? Prompt engineering आपको नहीं आती है, then it is useless for you. And if you're well aware about it, it can do wonders.
Basically, the fresher should focus on learning the AI in terms of the prompt engineering and how to use it for
Yes,
making the work more efficient.
visualization. Let me take example of this IT industry only. Sometimes a solution or a software is not in place,
Right.
right? How would pre-sales guy visualize it? With the help of AI, things have become quite easy. You are able to show something like, you are able to create dashboards, you are even able to create the entire flow, which in backend can be integrated, although मतलब बाद में आप उसमें काम कर सकते हैं, development team can do work, but आप उसको जो एक challenge आता था ना कि like you're not able to see कि exactly क्या
हाँ, वो जो
होगा,
exist नहीं करता वो दिखाए कैसे?
right? This is getting solved here.
Okay. And any cons about using the AI or the introduction of AI into the...
See, cons is like अभी जो चलता है कि sometimes we will get replaced by AI, right? But honestly, I don't think so. Yes, I'll say कि जिसने इसको नहीं adopt किया, maybe down the line, say another 2 years or 3 years, yes, they'll be out of the market, you can say. Right?
Okay.
This is need of the hour.
So everyone should start adapting to
Everyone
the...
should start it up.
Okay, particularly for someone who is a woman and then starting into the IT industry, or maybe they are already in the industry and they're looking to transition to a leadership role. What's your recommendation? Like, what should be that step they should take? Maybe something that is holding them back.
सी लीडरशिप रोल एक दिन में नहीं आता है. सी इसको हम अगर एक जर्नी को डिफाइन करें तो समथिंग इट इज़ लाइक कि आई थिंक बहुत लोग लीड कर रहे होंगे, राइट? बट इट इज़ लाइक कि लीडिंग वर्ड कैन बी इन टू वेज, वेदर यू आर मैनेजिंग द थिंग्स और वेदर यू आर लीडिंग द थिंग्स. एक ये बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस होता है कि यू कैन से द पीयर ग्रुप इज सीइंग यू एज अ मैनेजर और दे आर लुकिंग एट यू
लीडर वर्सेस
बॉस, राइट? So basically अगर मैं बोलूँ तो I believe in servant leadership, right? Which says कि leader carries food and water for his team, right? But yes, it should be like you should be transformational होना चाहिए ये journey कि whether when to be firm and when to be directive, right? That's the quality of true leader. When you say कि leadership in women आप कहेंगे तो एक there are few traits जो बहुत ही common होते हैं. रेजिलियंस होना चाहिए, क्यूरियोसिटी होनी चाहिए, राइट? यू शुड वर्क रिलेंटलेसली, काम करना चाहिए आपको. These are the common traits which you will find in all leaders.
Okay. So when you talk about working relentlessly, how does this, I mean, especially when you are into the senior manager role or the leadership role, does it have an impact on your personal work-life balance?
This you need to maintain. मतलब ये होता है, राइट? और फीमेल्स के साथ ज़्यादा होता है पर्सनल वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. सो मे बी कुछ चीज़ें इट्स लाइक समटाइम्स इट इज़ ईजी, जैसे मेल काउंटर पार्ट के लिए वो ईजी हो जाता है एज कम्पेयर टू फीमेल्स. बट येस, वीमेन आर मोर पावरफुल टू बैलेंस. उनको बैलेंस करना आता है. दे आर टॉट फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड इटसेल्फ कि खुद को बैलेंस कैसे करना है.
कभी आपको चैलेंज आया है मैनेजिंग योर पर्सनल लाइफ?
See, I'm blessed with it, right? I'll say कि I'm blessed because see, my family is very supporting. That if I talk about my from my mother itself, right, till day I can say I see her like my mentor, right? And going forward, even my life partner, he is very supporting, right? Because see, I'm working like an AVP, right? I'm heading 2 departments in my organization, so it is just not my journey, right? वो लोग भी पैरेलल मेरे साथ चले हैं, right? They keep on backing me up, right? सपोर्ट करते रहे हैं.
So the role of the family is very important.
Very important.
बट कभी ऐसा सिचुएशन आया जब लगा कि यार काम के चक्कर में फैमिली का कुछ चीज़ मिस हो रही है या यू वांटेड टू टर्न बैक? yes. I mean, I can say मतलब एक गिल्ट होता है मन में. एंड ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ योर्स अगर आपने ये टॉपिक छेड़ा ही है तो I'll admit कि एक मन में गिल्ट है कि शायद what I have not seen during this last 9 years or 8 years, because my elder daughter is like 8 years. It's like her childhood. वो that is missing, right? So rather I have seen lot many things, क्योंकि हम तो वो वाली जनरेशन था ना जिसने ट्रांजिशन देखा है पूरा, राइट? नॉर्मल टेलीफोन से मोबाइल पे, मोबाइल से एंड देन इंटरनेट गोइंग vast. So but yes, that is something I can say कि हाँ मैंने मिस किया है. Okay, so you are able to see all the tech advancements and the transitions,
exactly.
But you just missed one transition phase. Yes. And since you mentioned your daughter is already 8 years old, तो कभी उसकी शिकायत आती है? मतलब बच्चों की शिकायतें होती तो मासूम सी है, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ तो बोलती होगी.
होता है, मतलब बिकॉज यू नो समटाइम्स इट इज देयर कि जो 2 या 3 बार ऐसा हुआ है कि शायद मैंने कुछ कुछ चीजें मिस कर दी हैं,
Okay.
राइट. समथिंग वाज सपोज्ड टू बी सेंट टू स्कूल एंड समहाउ आई मिस्ड इट बिकॉज यू
Okay.
नो आई वाज नॉट एबल टू सी ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी सेंट, बिकॉज when it happened she was a bit disappointed and she was like, you know, मेरी फ्रेंड है, उसकी मम्मा तो ऐसे करके देती हैं,
आपने
right?
नहीं करके दिया.
आपने नहीं करके दिया. एंड दैट डे यू नो इट टच्ड मी अ लॉट. उसके बाद से टचवुड आई हैवंट मिस्ड एनीथिंग, राइट.
Okay.
आई इंश्योर दिस कि whatever she requires, right? And even I try to give my attention also, attention and time, whatever best is possible मैं उसको देने की
I mean,
कोशिश कर
obviously
रही
we
हूँ.
are trying to do everything for the best of their
Yes.
future.
And daughters are wise. I'll say कि
That
they
is totally 100% true.
yes.
More than 100%, 200%
Yes,
true
yes.
actually.
Right.
Okay, so there's one concept called when women support women, incredible things happen. Is that true in your industry also?
Yes, yes, yes. Because it is like कि अगर मैं अपने करंट सेटअप की भी मैं बात करूँ तो what I do is कि whenever any female is joining, right, I try my best to give a comfort zone because I know कि इसकी जर्नी इतनी इजी नहीं रहने वाली है. Yeah, she would have taken a lot on herself यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए. Because opportunities ऐसा नहीं है they are knocking the door, right? You need to create the opportunities.
Correct.
Right? So I always try to give my hand, right? I always try to pull them.
So does this have an impact on when you're hiring also? Like if you have multiple candidates, would you give preference to women?
See, I try to give preference to talent. It is not something, as you said, कि opportunity should be earned, right?
Right.
हमें किसी को प्लेट में रख के नहीं
हाँ,
देना
वो तो
है.
है.
This comes when you are into leadership role. These are the traits you should adapt, right?
Okay.
Because अगर मैं यहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ तो it is like मेरे को किसी से खैरात में नहीं मिला है, right? I have tried earning it, right? मैंने earn किया है. Same way, whenever I'm hiring my team, it is like it is not that female should be preferred or male should be preferred. Talent is the main thing.
Okay.
Rather sometimes it do happens कि किस रोल में कौन ज़्यादा fit हो रहा है, but yes, from my side it is like very balanced.
Okay. Since we talked about women supporting women, तो कभी ऐसा भी हुआ है कि जब सिचुएशन जहाँ पे वुमेन ने आपको सपोर्ट नहीं किया, कहते हैं ना टांग खींचने वाली बात.
Yes, you know ये this is irony. मतलब this is true. Sometimes you know your male counterparts are more supportive. और शायद से जे फैक्टर्स जो जे फैक्टर है वो विमेन में ज्यादा होता है. दिस इज कंट्रोवर्शियल वैसे.
हाँ, मतलब दिस इज टू आयरनिक कि एक तरफ हम ये भी बोलते हैं कि यस वुमेन सपोर्ट ईच अदर, बट देन देयर आर सिचुएशंस बिकॉज़ दिस इज ऑल अबाउट कॉर्पोरेट. वो लैडर है ना जो चढ़ना चाहता है सबको,
जी
वो चलता है.
चलता है.
Ever had that moment of doubt or like the burnout due to all the works, and if yes, then how did you manage it?
Honestly, you know, I'm mother of two. Again, I'm relating it to be like from the motherhood side. Sometimes, मतलब long back it happened. एक बार लगा भी हो गया, right? I think I should take a break.
Okay.
इसको यहीं पे stop करते हैं. But rather I would say कि जो मेरी family थी, it acted like a fuel for me. They said no, no, please go ahead. क्योंकि अभी बहुत कुछ आना बाकी है, right? So यूजुअली जितने भी मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में हैं, राइट, और जो वेदर देयर रिलेटिव्स और जैसे कि बिजनेस सेंस वाज लाइक बचपन से ही था मेरे अंदर, राइट. सो ऑल्दो आई ट्राइड एंटरिंग इनटू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन बीटेक एंड ऑल, बट समवेयर एवरीबॉडी सेड कि यू वर मेंट टू डू बिजनेस.
So did you try actually like applying for the electronic stream also?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And even I was having one job in my hand, but as I said, during my first job in EdTech, I realized that I am meant for this.
I'm not sure how would you relate to it, but what's your suggestion about like switching multiple jobs or staying in one company? Which is more preferred if you want to grow in?
इसमें I would say I'm from old school, right? जहाँ पर भी हो अच्छे से, right? Spend time. But I see अभी जो generation है, what you call it, Gen Z.
The Gen Z.
Gen Zs, right? उनके लिए it is like, you know, rather company is like, you know, making changes according to them, right?
It's not about employee adapting to the company is now adapting to the Gen Zs.
Exactly. So during my journey of say 13 years, you know, I have been working with two companies only. So you can say
Okay.
6 years, 6.5 years, right? So
Okay.
I believe in staying and doing
So
something.
6 years now, 6.5. So do you think it's now time to make a transition or
नहीं
just continue?
no
No, it's
नहीं, आपका पॉडकास्ट जब लाइव हो जाएगा तो यू नो मेरा मैनेजमेंट मुझे बुलाएगा एंड देन यू नो व्हाट इज इन योर माइंड
no, no.
no
Let's not.
recently I have been elevated to AVP, right?
Yeah,
Obviously
it's long way to go now.
it's long way to go.
Okay. At times, when the projects comes, there are deadlines, there are multiple responsibilities. So you may have to say no also to some things, some projects and all. How do you handle that situation?
See, well, it is like while saying no, obviously जो भी pre-sales वाला बंदा होता है या business generation वाला बंदा होता है, it is true with sales also. उनके लिए बहुत difficult होता है. But we need to understand, right? Every company have some limitation. हर इंसान की भी एक लिमिटेशन होती है, सेम वे में हर प्रोफाइल की भी एक लिमिटेशन होती है. वी कांट टेक एवरीथिंग विद अस, राइट? सो इट इज लाइक सेइंग नो शुड बी लाइक, बट यस व्हाट इम्पोर्टेंट इज कि आपने उसके साथ रिलेशनशिप कैसा बनाया. बाय सेइंग अ नो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कल की डेट में वो आपके पास वापस नहीं आएगा कभी, राइट? It should be like how well you were able to connect with him, with the client, right?
Okay.
So it plays a great role. When you're well connected, saying no is difficult, but yes, it is not like shutting a door.
That's important, not shutting the door. Do you feel like there should be some changes in the core system level, like in the education system, so that women get more chance to grow? And not just education, maybe in the corporate culture or the society also. Things that needs to change so that women can also grow.
I think yes, this is something बहुत sensitive topic है ये, right? Might be few corporates are already adopting it,
Right.
but yes, it is like, you know, for female journey it's not easy because when it comes to family pressure, right? Kids, and they are like having two jobs at a time.
Right.
एक ऑफिस वाला जॉब है, एक घर वाला भी है. सो इट इज लाइक रदर फीमेल्स के लिए शुड बी यस एक कंफर्ट जोन होना चाहिए, राइट? आई थिंक every company is now going through this maternity policies, work from policies, hybrid policies. So it is coming, but yes, you can say on the ground reality की जब हम बात करते हैं तो शायद it is 10-15% only.
Yeah, because like even though corporate has that policy of like equality and then 50-50% manpower, but on ground शायद वो implement नहीं होता है.
इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं होता है बिकॉज यू नो जो भी अभी एक माइंडसेट रहता है, एवरीबडी इज लुकिंग फॉर अ ग्रोथ, राइट? कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर अ ग्रोथ. दे फील कि वेदर एक यू नो एक बहुत बड़ा एक माइंड में क्लटर होता है फॉर अ फीमेल, यू नो, कि इफ दे आर प्लानिंग फॉर अ से मैटरनिटी लीव के ले जाने के साथ, वेदर माई पोजिशन इज सिक्योर और नॉट.
Exactly.
Yes, if I'll be joining back, will I be getting the same seat, right?
See, I mean, I not blame every company on that because some positions are critical. अब उनको अपना काम भी तो आगे कंटिन्यू रखना है, so they have to take in someone. But yes, what is their approach once the person wants to join back after the break? That also matters.
That matters. Nowadays you'll see कि बहुत सारे campaigns इस पे run हो रहे हैं, right? Gender equality and all. But as I said कि ground पे शायद अभी और ज़्यादा we need to see कि और changes की ज़रूरत है.
We talked about Gen Z in the previous conversation, so I'm sure you have interacted with the Gen Z also in your team, maybe. So what's their approach towards the work? Is that new thing that they're bringing onto the table?
They are very smart, I'll say. They are very smart. It's like they have their own ideas.
Okay.
They don't want to follow, right? वो बेसिकली शायद से इंस्ट्रक्शंस में ज़्यादा बिलीव नहीं करते हैं, एंड दे ट्राई टू पुट देयर ओन माइंड आल्सो, राइट? सो व्हाट आई फील इज कि हमें एम्पैथी तो खैर सभी के लिए रखनी चाहिए, राइट? बट वी शुड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर माइंडसेट आल्सो.
उनके लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा एम्पैथी चाहिए.
एम्पैथी चाहिए कि क्या क्या उनके माइंड में चल रहा है, राइट? एंड rather I would say कि basically we need to change ourselves a bit. They are not hard to deal, right? अगर हम थोड़ा सा अपने आप को भी बदलेंगे,
मतलब हम वो जनरेशन रह गए हैं जो सबके साथ चेंज ही हो रहे हैं.
राइट? ट्रू.
तो Gen Z के लिए भी हम ही चेंज होने वाले हैं.
हमें चेंज होना है.
Okay. कोई चैलेंज आता है Gen Z के साथ?
Challenges like I would
कोई ऐसा
say
इंसिडेंट जो आप
नहीं I would say stability. I think you were asking the same question.
कोई आया है?
You believe कि आप एक कंपनी में स्टे करना चाहिए या keep on switching, right?
Right.
So this is a challenge, right? Or it is not their mistake also, because वहाँ पर क्या है कि दे आर हंटिंग फॉर समथिंग कि जहाँ पर दे फील राइट नाउ इट इज माय काइंड ऑफ
हाँ,
जॉब
वो एक
राइट.
वो विजन क्लैरिटी अप्रोच लेके चल रहे हैं, तो उनको जब तक वो मिल नहीं जाता है तब तक वो स्विच करते
स्विच
रहते
करते
हैं.
रहते हैं.
वी हैड दैट अप्रोच की जॉब होनी चाहिए.
नहीं, वी वर लाइक हम जॉब के हिसाब से खुद अपने आप को बदल रहे थे
हाँ,
राइट. वी वर
वो
ट्राइंग
चाहे
टू
हमारा वो पैशन था या नहीं था, बट हम जॉब करने के लिए जॉब कर रहे हैं, बट दे हैव अ डिफरेंट अप्रोच
yes.
टुवर्ड्स दैट.
मतलब बेसिकली वी नेवर हैड अ ग्रैंड प्लानिंग राइट कि हमें क्या करना है लाइफ में. दे आर कमिंग विद ग्रैंड प्लानिंग.
सो वो जो क्वेश्चन था ना इंटरव्यू पे, जो हमारे टाइम पे पूछा जाता सबसे ज्यादा, वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ आफ्टर 5 years, वो एक्चुअली हमारे लिए नहीं है,
यस,
वो इनके लिए है.
इनके लिए
क्योंकि
है
इनको पता है 5 साल बाद कहाँ पहुंचना है,
कहाँ
हमें तो
पहुंचना
शायद
है.
क्लैरिटी भी नहीं थी.
यस.
We had that scripted answer that we used to give in the interviews,
Yes.
and that was also accepted by the hiring manager.
Hiring
Don't know
managers.
why, but now is the time to ask that question.
Question.
So this one is for all the hiring managers.
Yes. Yes, because Gen Z can replace you also, right? उसमें कोई वो नहीं है because they have a vision,
Right.
right? Vision में clarity है.
I agree on that. I mean, since I have been in touch with like many students and all,
Yes.
so I can relate to it. Their focus and their vision is totally different from what we had
We
earlier
had.
at that time. अब तो clarity मिल गई है. Now let's do some fun segment. I'll talk about some stereotypes, common assumptions, and you can then tell me whether it's true or false.
Sure.
Maybe support it with some argument if you want to. Stereotype one is like women are technical enough for the pre-sales role,
I think women are technical enough.
and not technical
Are
enough.
not technical enough. False.
False. Okay. Stereotype two: as a woman, you must have sacrificed family for career success.
False. As I said कि balance करना आता है, right?
बट जनरल परसेप्शन, अगर जनरल रेशियो से कंपेयर करें तो कितने केस में ऐसा हुआ होगा?
See, yes, you can say कि sacrifice होता है, but yes, it is more about कि family से कितना support है. I would say, if family is supportive, right? So your near and dear ones are supporting, so you won't be able to lose much.
ओके.
As I said कि थोड़ा तो रहेगा, right? As compared to male counterparts, थोड़ा तो रहेगा, but yes, it can be like अगर family supportive है तो you can go ahead with both the paths.
ओके. स्टीरियोटाइप थ्री: women are too emotional for the high sales and high pressure sales.
So I would say it is not. They are not emotional. They are full of emotional intelligence,
ओके.
right? और pressure handling तो हमसे ज़्यादा कोई कर ही नहीं सकता, right? We are taking pressure of kids. We are taking pressure of in-laws, right? We are taking pressure of office, right? So it is like it again. I would say
हस्बैंड तो रह गया.
obviously,
ओके.
and we are taking pressure of society.
हाँ, लोग क्या कहेंगे?
लोग क्या कहेंगे? नहीं, rather I would अगर ये कहा तो you know I have been traveling internationally
Right.
multiple times, right? तो उस समय पे right it was a kind of stereotype, whether because when I was leading this global e-invoicing, so it was like whether she'll be able to travel or not, right?
Okay.
This was a kind of stereotype. Should we have another
Person accompanying her
same
because it's
at the
international
same
travel.
it's international travel, but
Okay.
you know I have been to Saudi, Mauritius multiple times, right? And
All alone.
leading conversations in boardrooms, right? In
And that is how you have
Yes.
grown to this role.
Yes.
Any moment where you felt like being a woman in tech was actually an advantage?
No. Nobody serves you in a plate, right?
Okay.
You have to make your own food.
Any funniest or absurd comment that you received
I would say not on my face.
behind?
Yeah. It is like as I mentioned earlier also कि during initial stages कि देखते हैं कितना लंबा जाएगी.
अच्छा. अब देख रहे हैं वो.
देख रहे हैं.
आज देखेंगे कितना लंबा पहुंची है. Okay.
And not from I'm not saying this is from the like हमारी working organization say something. This happens in our society actually.
हाँ.
Our office colleagues, right, are very supportive.
Okay.
rather जो ये सारी बातें होती हैं ये सोसाइटी में ज्यादा होती हैं.
हाँ. वो वही तो है ना, लोग क्या कहेंगे
लोग
वाले
क्या
तो वही लोग हैं
कहेंगे?
ये.
हाँ, पर लोगों का काम है कहना.
Any moment where you underestimated yourself?
No,
Never.
never.
Okay. Some more questions. One piece of advice for negotiating as a woman.
Negotiations तो it's like being a woman आपको पहले से ही आती है, right? You might have सीन कि मार्केट गए हैं सब्जी लेने, राइट, धनिया फ्री लेना है, राइट. So it do happens in selling also. In fact, I
Okay.
think women get advantages, right, in negotiation, whether they are able to fetch high, you can say high value from the clients,
Okay.
right?
I think that's a very
Yes.
big advantage.
Yes.
Okay. Any book or resource that has changed your perspective?
During my early stages of my career, I used to read fictions only,
Okay.
right? But I would say reading books is a very good habit. बहुत कुछ आपकी लाइफ में बदल जाता है. तो everybody must be aware about that book, Atomic Habits. Right? This is something you should read. Keep on reading. It is not, क्योंकि ये सारी चीजें क्या होती है कि आपने एक बार ही पढ़ा, right? You might be taking just 10% out of it.
And it's actually the second time that you get the maximum out of that book.
Yes.
First time तो वो flow बिगड़ ही जाते हैं. If you could change one thing about the tech industry, what it would be?
I would like to change basically not tech industry को नहीं बदलेंगे. I would say कि जो भी हमें पढ़ाया जा रहा है ना, we should focus more on the practical things,
Okay.
right? So you would be able to relate it. जो हम पढ़ते हैं क्या हम actually उसको apply करते हैं?
नहीं करते.
Right. So what would you say? Tech industry is going wrong, or somewhere practical education is missing?
It's actually the education platform that is needs to be
Missing.
improved.
Yeah.
हम sin theta by cos theta कहाँ यूज होना है पता नहीं मुझे.
पता नहीं है.
ठीक है. कहीं तो यूज हो रहा है, हम नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं.
हम नहीं use कर रहे हैं.
Okay. Since you mentioned you travel internationally, so when traveling internationally, what do you prefer? Window seat or the aisle seat?
Obviously it starts with window seat,
Okay.
right? एक because it बाहर जब आप cloud को देखते हैं, right? It you feel that you're flying high.
But then gradually you move to the aisle seat.
Aisle seat.
और कुछ trips
क्योंकि
के बाद
आदत बन जाती है.
हाँ, फिर वही cloud रहता है
वही cloud रहता है.
आदत की तो पहचान हो जाती है.
Yes.
Okay. Favorite piece of technology but not a phone.
Then I would say e-learning platforms.
Okay.
Right, they are helping a lot आज के टाइम पे, even your podcast, right, when it would be getting broadcasted, so it is not a phone, but yes, it is a part of technology, right? So rather I would say कि जितने भी हमारे youngsters हैं, they should start using e-learning platforms.
Okay. What would you prefer, tea or coffee?
Coffee without sugar.
Without sugar. Okay. Any woman tech leader जिसके साथ आप कॉफी पीना चाहोगे?
Usually I try to keep myself grounded. मैं ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं I'll go with celebrities and all, right?
If given a chance.
If given a chance, coffee with Neha Narkhade. She is global SaaS leader and co-founder of Confluent.
Okay. I hope she watches this one day
Definitely.
and then calls you up for a coffee. Too much of fun segment. Let's come back to some serious
Sure.
talks again. I mean, now I just want to focus more on the freshers and beginners basically. So, उनके लिए कोई advice?
अभी क्या होता है कि जो हमारे young generation है who are in the last year of college and they have big dreams, right? And it gets shattered as soon as they enter into when they pass out from the college, और जैसे ही वो market में enter करते हैं, they feel like कि बाहरी दुनिया बिल्कुल अलग है, right? So it should be like be realistic, right? And everybody have that feeling in the mind कि when I'll be coming from college, like I'll join some A category or B category kind of companies, right? You should rather start matters. Try to enter into something, right?
Right.
So even एक pressure भी होता है, right? It may be from the parents or from society, like age क्या होती है, कितना पैकेज लगा, and what is the age? Just 21 or 22. पूरी life पड़ी है यार. Spend 2 years of time, right? Okay. Try to get some exposure, and within that year or so, you're able to find out कि आपके लिए right path क्या है.
Correct. I actually believe in that कि starting में थोड़ा explore करो, हो सकता है 2-3 चीजें explore करनी पड़ेंगी, but ultimately you'll get a path.
Yes. और सबसे बड़ी चीज कि start matters. If you're not earning that good, right? If you're able to perform well, आपको success जरूर मिलेगी.
Correct. So based on that, when you are hiring, what is that one thing that you look for in the candidate?
Simply whether he is trainable or not.
Okay. And what is that one question which you normally ask to everyone in your interviews?
It's not why should I hire you, right?
Okay.
मैं ये कभी नहीं पूछती because you know it's अभी भी चाहे जिंजी आ गए या कुछ भी ये scripted ही आता है, right? So more of I always try to check who all in the family, right?
Okay.
So it's not like कि मम्मा क्या करती है या पापा क्या करते हैं, right? So I always try to check कि how well he is connected with his family or not.
Okay.
Right, whether he is coming for the this role a kind of pressure thing कि नहीं अभी मैंने BCA कर लिया है तो
आपको ये
I should
करना है.
मुझे ये करना है, right? So you know see आजकल क्या है कि using AI tools जो candidates आते हैं तो they are creating their resumes as per the JD,
Right.
right? हमारे टाइम पे ये नहीं
हमारा तो
होता
एक ही
था,
रिज्यूम चलता था हर
एक ही,
जगह.
right? Now they are right. So it is like it is more of a conversational thing with them.
Okay.
To take out कि उनके माइंड में क्या चल रहा है,
Right.
right? We
Okay,
should
वो
not focus on interview questions कि आपने
उनके
ये
आंसर
किया,
तो प्रिपेयर कर चुके हैं वो.
वो उसके आंसर प्रिपेयर कर चुके हैं.
Okay. Do you think certification matters?
See, certification is a second step. पहले it's like practically or you know learning things. Like
Okay.
certification is what you know certifications तो आजकल हो जाते हैं, right? Because you know certain you know एक ऐसा forums बन गए हैं they are able to taught you कि जिससे आप certification clear कर लोगे.
वो प्रॉपर अप्रोच ट्रेनिंग होती है.
Proper approach training होती है, but it's a kind of stamp, right? But yes, rather you should focus कि आपने उसमें से कितना adapt किया.
Right.
You know, specifically if we talk about management side, right? Maybe freshers के लिए तो है certification कर लिया, it will give an aid, right? But when we talk about management sides, it is more of a situational handling.
Okay.
So you use certification अगर आपने proper, it's like you don't have any you know practically आपने वो journey नहीं जी है, so you won't be able to handle the situation well.
Right.
Wherein you get differentiated.
So what do you prefer, like personally, अगर आपके हिसाब से बात करूँ, do you prefer getting the hands-on learning or being mentored by someone?
See, mentorship is also important. Mentorship sometimes, you know, it gives you confidence. Like, especially if we talk about, you know, अगर हम leadership role में बात करते हैं, hands-on learning भी है, right? और अगर mentor आपके पास कोई एक अच्छा mentor है, right? तो you know, he trusts in you. You're having an idea, but you know that he'll be supporting you. तो idea execute होने से पहले ये approved है,
Right.
right? तो mentors play a great role.
Okay. And do you also act as a mentor for anyone?
Yes, I believe in. I always believe in creating second line for me.
Okay.
You know, so as I said, कि there is a difference between managing and
Being a
leading,
leader.
right? Leading. So leaders always create a big army for them, right? Big army और जो वो वाली army वो बनाते हैं जो आपके लिए कुछ भी कर सकती है.
ये वो आर्मी होती है जो अगर आप कहीं गए तो वो भी साथ साथ
साथ
चलेगी.
साथ चलेगी.
Okay. So on that point, I mean, if people want to reach out to you, I mean, as a mentor, so can they, and if then how?
Sure. I'm very active on LinkedIn,
Okay.
right? They can reach me out at LinkedIn. They can DM me,
Okay.
and obviously I'll try to help.
Sure, that's good. I mean, this has been quite inspiring and a powerful conversation, especially talking about the journeys of women in the industry. Now, but before we wrap up, like any specific resources that you would recommend for others to go through?
See, I would say you know there are a lot of things. Udemy पे है, right? Even Coursera पे है. There are small certifications, right? Specifically, if someone enters into pre-sales or you know, even into business generation. First of all, you know, digital marketing with AI.
Okay.
I would say this is the best thing they should
Okay.
go for, specifically for business generation. And when it comes to pre-sales, it is more of a solution designing,
Okay.
right? So you can find many courses which will give you a basic idea, right? Right. उसके बाद आप practically जब उसको implement करेंगे, तो then things can.
Okay. If you would want to leave your listeners with one powerful message,
I would say believe in yourself, right? And try to work hard as much as possible, especially to my female leaders. Never give up, right? And then you know, sky's the limit.
right? That brings us to the end of this conversation. I mean, we had a very good conversation, getting very powerful insights from Ekta ma'am. I think success for the women in the industry is not just about the individual achievement. It's about how you grow as a team, how you grow with the others in the industry, and it's also about how you are changing the system. Okay, the
Yes.
system is already there, but once you enter into it, how you are making an impact and changing that system for the others to have a path in the future. So, if today's episode resonated with you, if you were able to relate with this conversation and this journey, then I would request you to do few things. Share this uh, with the other women in your life. If you are the woman listening to the conversation, obviously it's for you. But if it's a male listening to this episode, then I would request you to please share this with your women counterpart, maybe your friends, your family, or whomsoever you believe should be benefiting from it. I'm sure they would get some learning and get more confidence in themselves so that वो भी आगे और कुछ बड़ा कर सके. And if you are the woman listening to it, remember you do belong here in this industry. Your voice matters. So take the action and go forward. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because in the next episode we will be exploring yet another fascinating career and deep dive into it. Thank you so much.